Hey everyone, welcome to the channel that helps you pass your UK driving theory test with ease. Highway Code Rule 132, Reflective Road Studs. This is an important topic for your theory test, and many people get questions about it. What are reflective road studs? Reflective road studs are small, colored markers embedded into the road surface. They help drivers see lane markings and road boundaries, especially in low visibility conditions like fog, rain, or nighttime driving. In your theory test, you might get a question asking, what color studs mark the edge of the road? What color studs mark slip roads? Which studs separate lanes of traffic? To help you memorize them easily, let's go through each color one by one. White studs, lane dividers, and road center. White studs are the most common and are used to separate lanes of traffic moving in the same direction. You'll see them on motorways, dual carriageways, and major roads. When changing lanes on a motorway, you'll be crossing over white studs. If you drive between two lanes, you'll see white studs marking the separation. In the theory test, if asked which color marks the center of the road, the answer is white. Red studs. Left edge of the road. Red studs always mark the left-hand edge of the road. If you see red studs on your right-hand side, you're on the wrong side of the road, which could be very dangerous. They are particularly useful on unlit roads in rural areas, where lane markings might not be clear. You'll also find red studs next to the hard shoulder on motorways. A common theory test question asks which color marks the left edge of the road. The answer is always red. Amber studs. Central reservation, middle of a motorway or dual carriageway. Amber studs are used on motorways and dual carriageways to mark the central reservation, the barrier separating traffic moving in opposite directions. These are vital for night driving because they prevent drivers from accidentally crossing into oncoming traffic. If you are driving on a dual carriageway or motorway, you should never cross amber studs because that would mean driving against traffic. If a theory test question asks which studs mark the central reservation of a motorway, the answer is amber. Green studs, slip roads, and lay-bys. Green studs mark areas where traffic enters or exits a major road. You will see them at motorway slip roads, guiding you when you enter or leave a motorway. You'll also find them at lay-bys, where drivers can stop for breaks or emergencies. These studs help drivers distinguish safe exit and entry points, especially in bad weather. If a question asks which studs mark slip roads or lay-bys, the answer is green. Green, yellow studs, temporary road layouts and roadworks. These green, yellow studs are temporary and are mostly used in areas with roadworks or changed lane layouts. You'll often see them where motorway lanes are narrowed or diverted due to construction. They are temporary, so they won't be found on permanent road layouts. If you see green, yellow studs while driving, expect changes ahead. If a theory test question asks which studs indicate temporary lane adjustments, the answer is green, yellow. Remember these simple associations. Red is for left edge of the road. Amber is for middle of a motorway, central reservation. Green is for slip roads and lay-bys. White is for lane dividers or center of the road. Green, yellow are for roadworks or temporary lane changes. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more UK driving test tips. Good luck with your test, and drive safe.